Did you know that eating chocolate can actually make you feel happier? Chocolate triggers the release of endorphins, the brain's feel-good chemicals. Plus, it contains phenylethylamine, a compound that can mimic the feeling of being in love. So, the next time you indulge in a piece of chocolate, remember, it's not just a treat for your taste buds, but a little boost for your mood too. Honey is one of the few foods that can last indefinitely. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still edible. Thanks to its low moisture content and acidic pH, honey inhibits bacterial growth, preserving it for centuries. So, whether it's fresh from the hive or thousands of years old, honey is a sweet treat that stands the test of time. Tomatoes are packed with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that gives them their vibrant red color. Lycopene has been linked to various health benefits, including a reduced risk of heart disease and certain cancers. Adding tomatoes to your diet is a delicious way to boost your health. Did you know there are over 4,000 different types of potatoes worldwide? They vary in color, size, and flavor, making them a versatile staple in many cultures. From mashed potatoes to fries, there's a potato variety for every dish and taste. Cheese is one of the oldest foods known to humanity, with roots tracing back to 5,500 BC. The process of cheese-making likely originated independently in various ancient civilizations as a method of preserving milk. Today, we enjoy countless varieties of cheese, each with its unique flavor and history.